kailangan pang bumili ng bag para ilagay yung gift. Ay, naku talaga buhay na to. Call your brother, tell him I love you, bro. Hello, coffee. Don't jump in, Rock.
Good morning, Philippines!
I love my monkey bug. I love my little man. I love you, 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 little man. I love you both so much. Hi guys, good morning. Early in the morning, guys. Naglalaro sa pusa. Ganyan ako. At before that, kakain ako. I just want to know what time is the baby shower. Because yung baby shower is 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. So, yeah. 12 o'clock. So, 4 na oras. 4 hours yung puwate. Dito silang lahat. Dito sila. Yan. Si Misty lang ang malayo. Andun. Pero mga gutom ito, guys. Gutom! Good morning! Kita-kits tayo later, guys. Unahin ko muna sila. Kinocurl ko yung hair ko, pero I decided to ponytail it. Just look like this. It kind of bulky up here. And then ponytail my hair. Tie my hair. So, yun siya. And then, anyway guys, maglagay lang ako. Ano ng oras ba? 9:30. Pero, 10, 11, half hour, like that. So, I'm gonna go. I leave her like 11 o'clock. Mag-stop din ako sa tawag nito yung CVS para kuha ng bag. Ito yung damit ng biyanan ko. Dalhin ko. And so yun lang. Wala na akong gawin. And then I'm just gonna drink water sa bahay ng sister-in-law ko. Doon na lang ako mag-inom ng tubig. It's already almost 10 o'clock, so I have to leave. And I still have to stop. Ngunit walang magawa. Tagalog. And umulan. Bati yung panahon ngayon, bati. Dito yung bag ko. Diyan ka lang. Huwag kang lilipad. Kahit na I just want to. Okay. Let's go tech. And I'm just gonna listen music because this is what I do when I drive. I just love to listen music. So bumili ako ng bag, yung parang gift bag ba? Yun. Ang mahal guys, $7, $6.99 plus tax, even something. Kaluka talaga itong mga kahit ganyan, no? Ay nako, kailangan pang bumili ng bag para ilagay yung gift. Ay nako, talaga buhay na to. Bakit hindi na lang ibigay yung gift, no? Ito yung gift ko sa'yo, oh. Kunin mo. Ito na siya. Open to the public, ha? Ganyan. Bakit surprise na? Binigay na yung gift sa'yo, hindi na yan surprise. Alam naman na mayroong gift. Ba't iputos-putos pa yan, di ba? Katingalahan talaga ito. Kailangan talaga ito mga nag-invent ng mga gift wrap, mga hindi man lang yan para kailangan talaga. Business ba? Business. Tak-tek lang yan. Tak-tek ka lang yung mga taong ganyan. May surprise. Dalhin ka doon. Yung mga ganyan. Hindi naman yun mapuputos. Hindi yan mapuputos. Yung dalhin. May mag-dinner tayo doon. Mag-dinner. Pero may surprise pala nakaabang. Yun ang hindi mo mapuputos. Yun dapat yung mga ganyan. And here, I'm almost there.
Oh, you're almost at the house?
Yeah. I pick up some bag in the 7X. That's expensive, little teeny tiny bag. Oy, $7.
Yeah, huh?
No.
You could have them at the store, right? You could have them at the store right down the block from us. That store I brought you to that you liked, that cheap store.
Yeah.
They have tons of different bags there for like $1 each.
Yeah, I know, but I don't even think about that. It's freaking crazy.
Yeah, son. Everything's crazy. That's why you have to be like. That's why you gotta shop like when prices are this.
Crazy and crazy and crazy. Oh,
Not
no.
sure. I'm not sure.
It's not short.
I gotta check. I gotta check last night from.
Where are they? Andrea's car is not here.
I don't know.
Okay.
I gotta check and drive back again. So.
Oh, you got? How much you got?
Yeah, maybe she went out to get something. At the last minute. They're probably all in the house though.
The car of Angelo is here.
Yeah, they're probably in the house. Probably one of them ran out to get something in the last minute.
Yeah, I'm going to put the gift in the bag.
So, when you see Louie, tell him sorry I couldn't be there.
Yeah, don't hang up. No, most of this they didn't bring their husband or boys, only for like girls. I don't know why.
I don't know, baby showers, I don't know.
I don't even know how to put this thing here.
What thing?
Yeah. No, 10. We have to be there 10.
Oh, I thought she said
At 10:45, but it's nice to go there early because
Yeah,
we take care
we do.
early sometimes.
Get there earlier, and this way we're not,
Gotcha. Well, remember you have your brown pants, your beige pants, and you have that long sleeve shirt.
Did she bring the one that I brought here? She bring
Yeah, I
that?
put it back in the suitcase. And you might have stuff in her closet that will
Yeah,
work.
there is,
but-
yeah.
I have some clothes over there, so
Okay.
I'm okay. Okay.
All right.
Love you, honey. Thanks for
I'll talk to you
everything.
later.
Say goodbye to Angel.
Call your brother. Tell him I love you, bro. Yeah.
He's working.
Yeah, but call him. You will be like
I'm gonna
surprised.
say I love you, bro. Don't forget to take some of your shit to your house.
Just don't put that yet. But say I love you. But next time, say him that.
All right, I'll try to force it out. Later, guys.
Bye
I
bye.
love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye, honey.
Okay, your seatbelt.
Yeah. Looks like more rain.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, when he buys dinner to bring into the house, already made and everything, that you know you don't have to do anything.
Get your hands up. 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 Get your hands. Get your hands. Get your hands.
Grandma, wait, Grandma. Okay, Grandma. Okay, let's go out. Let's go out. Hello, coffee. No jumping, Rock. No jumping. No jumping.
No jumping. No.
Roxy! Oh my God. Listen. Listen. No. No jumping.
No jumping.
Okay. I know. Let's go. Let's go inside the house. Did you pee-pee? Did you go pee-pee? Go pee-pee first. Okay. Hello, dagan pa mo, Rox. Hi, Mitch. Hello, Mitch. Hello, baby. Hello. What do you do? What did you do? Diyos, ginoo ko. Uy, nakita man taong taganinaw. Hindi rin naman taong. Ay, magagwala kita sa imong mama. Tanawa rin si Misty. Tignan nyo. Si Misty, ako talaga ang gusto ni Misty. Tignan nyo. Ako talaga. Okay. Let's go out. You wanna go out? Here, go out this way. Oh my God. So, feeding the dogs and the cats. Yep. So, yun yung ginawa ko. Pakainin ko muna sila. 7 o'clock na guys, ng gabi. Pero, hindi pa ako nakaluto ng hapunan namin. So, yep.
So let me catch you. So let me catch you slipping by.
Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this vlog with my husband, and Tom is coming here. So, anyway, guys, bye. See you tomorrow. Good night. Say good night, Han.
Good night, guys.
See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Rockabye, baby, rockabye.
Rockabye, rockabye.